some good news with Roku. I'll just go to the main menu. So I'll go to the antenna. I just changed the menu to say antenna. It actually will say live TV, but because I wanted to make sure it would identify the antenna. So channels that were missing, like this one here, the PBS channels that just scanned, it just displayed the one sub channel and missed World Create and PBS Kids, are now appearing again on the channel guide. So Roku, it appears Roku has done an update, and also this channel here, which is 50-2, which was missing before. I'm just going to go to the channel just so it loads up the guide info. It's not showing the logos of the station, but it's the CW network. So it's displaying it on the TV, and I don't have to go through like a third-party tuner to view the channels on my Roku TV. Now it still has the streaming channels, which is good. But what I found, sometimes if you go through the streaming channels, you'll get lost, and then you won't get back to your over-the-air channels. And there's no over-the-air option in here still. So that's one thing they still need to improve on, is have an over-the-air channel. So what I did to get around this, so I don't get lost, is I added all my over-the-air channels, or at least a bunch of them, to my favorites. And I'll go to that channel there, and it'll take me to, actually that's fine, it'll take me to my over-the-air channels. So that's kind of just a trick to do. So when you're at a channel and you just go, believe the menu is a star. So you go to your TV settings and you go to manage channels, and it goes through, and you can select the channels that you want to have in your favorites. So this is great for if you're flipping around and you get lost with your channels. So good tip, because Roku won't have a menu for live TV. Good on Roku for fixing that. I'm glad that they did do some sort of an update where the sub channels that were missing are appearing now. And just an update on my previous video where I said this was out, and I wanted to give an update on that. So thanks for watching.